twins age.
Yes, we are twin age. สวัสดีค่ะ ชื่อฮาน่านะคะ
สวัสดีครับ Henderson ครับ
So today we are go to Pattaya. Yeah, keep driving. I'm sorry.
Actually, before we go to Pattaya, I want to bring you guys to one place.
Oh, where?
Because we have a new friend here.
Oh,
Hi. สวัสดีครับผมเจ้าครับ
Jaun is a Korean friend from TikTok. So actually, we are here is like from TikTok.
Yeah. So today, we're going to the military.
Military?
Yeah.
For real?
For real.
Oh my god. So are we going to be a soldier today?
Maybe.
Oh my god, I cannot be soldier.
If you're strong enough,
No.
you can be a soldier.
No, I'm not strong. Oh my god, help me. I think maybe I go find some cafe, like take a picture. Yeah, just let them go by themselves. Like.
No, you are going inside too.
So, Jaun,
Hi.
introduce yourself, please.
Hi guys, I'm Henderson friend Jaun. I'm from South Korea.
Oh.
I'm working as creator, streamer, and then working as a fashion model in Korea.
Oh my god, fashion model.
Fashion model.
Hey, model have to be tall.
Yeah, my tall is 186.
186.
So wear shoes is like 190.
Oh, your shoes.
Shoes?
Yeah. It's gonna be like so big.
Oh yeah.
No, my shoe size is just 42.
Oh, for real?
42.
42.
It's not that big.
Okay, so, hey, do you have a girlfriend?
I want to find girlfriend. You want to be a girlfriend?
In Thailand,
Yeah, of course.
you want to find girlfriend in Thailand?
Yeah.
Oh my god, hey guys, you have a chance.
Simplica, anyone you guys want to be a Jaun girlfriend can put your
girlfriend.
put your Insta below down.
Yeah.
Comments.
Yeah, put it down here.
Put it down.
Put it down. So, can I ask your ideal type?
First of all,
Is
Is
I want to be comical.
a comic girl, like funny girl. Oh.
I don't want to like when we meet each other
Yeah.
and then
too boring.
the like boring thing and then like awkward atmosphere, you know?
Oh, it's like awkward.
So you want the you don't look at the face.
No, second thing is the face.
Oh,
Face.
second thing is the face.
The third thing is like the proportion.
What?
Proportion.
Proportion.
Yeah, proportion.
Oh.
I see.
So yeah, it's a Korean boy for real, I think. Yeah.
Who is that one like sleeping by?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, hello?
Hello.
Harrison,
Sleepy. Oh, okay. So we're gonna introduce him later.
Yeah. Okay. Also on the left side, you can introduce him like it's Phoenix.
Oh yeah. Here's Phoenix.
Yeah.
สวัสดีค่ะ Like Phoenix is like really cute friend of Anderson.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And he also always like helping up, like filling the stuff, and also helping us like the normally day life stuff. Yeah, it's like a really good friend.
So yeah, is his secretary, but yeah, he's like a boss in Thailand, like CEO or something.
No.
Yeah, so he have a secretary. Yeah, some kind of like that. So Henderson will buy me a LV, Louis Vuitton.
LV.
Yes.
Maybe when the day I will be like real CEO, maybe I can buy you LV.
Hey, you're a real CEO.
family. Don't listen to her. It's not real. It's not real family. Don't listen to her. Okay, so we still have like 10 minutes away from the military, and this one is like
10 minutes, just 10 minutes.
yeah, it's a private. So actually, it's I got invited by a friend.
Oh.
So we're having a chance to go inside, take a look. But a lot of things we are not allowed to film, but some fun part we can film in there.
Okay.
So I will let you guys see what's inside, what are we going to do inside, okay, in a bit. Alright.
Alright. Are you ready, Jawood?
Go!
Let's go!
Gotcha!
Oh, you wake up!
Hi, ทุกคน
So are you wake up?
Yes, I just wake up.
Oh, you say Tukon. I think you're from Thailand. Are you from Thailand?
คงไทย
He says he's from Thailand. Hey, for real?
Yeah, you can just speak Thai with him.
Just speak Thai.
Yeah, he
Oh.
understands.
แล้ววันนี้กินข้าวยังคะ
ใช่กินข้าวแล้ว
Oh my god, he understands! Oh, I think he's from Thai. Wow. So, what is your name?
My name is Edison.
Edison.
Maybe someone remember me just because I'm Delamer that day have the แนวมาให้สิ่ง1,000 situation กระเปิดแฮดกุมภาพ
ปวดเหตุกลุ่มพาด Oh my god. Edison
Yes
from Thailand? For real? For real? I'm asking now is like a...
You ask me serious?
Yeah, seriously! Oh my god!
Actually, I'm from China. Sometimes I like the Thai accent, so
Oh.
I learn some Thai language.
Oh. Yeah, you are friends from TikTok, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he do a lot of things in TikTok actually, and really, really funny. I don't want to talk about how he will be so funny or not, but you can see after in this video. I'm pretty sure that he gonna like
Do something.
do something
You don't want to stick
Make you shock.
Yeah, make you shock.
make you shout. So, Edison, how old are you?
Actually, I'm 28.
Oh,
I-
really?
But I hear
Oh,
other
really?
people.
Oh my god. I cannot see my face. Oh yeah. Hi.
Really?
Yeah, I mean
28
he's
years
old.
old.
He's old.
Hey, oh my god, he's not. Oh my god, his face so young.
จริงเหรอ
Ding. How about Jawoon?
ฮะ
How old are you?
62.
62.
60.
26.
26.
26.
So 26 and 28. Hey, actually, you guys look like really young. Oh my god, nothing man. Like look so young.
So I think the oldest one right now today in this car is Edison.
Yeah, I'm the oldest.
So I think today he is going to pay for all.
So,
Thank you.
yeah.
ไม่มีตังค่าไม่มีตังค์ไม่มีตังค์ไม่มีอ่ะ
He's going to pay for all because he's the oldest.
Share.
Oldest always have to take care of the young blood, you know. Yeah, so thank you, Edison. I think we are almost there, you know, we are almost there now. So everyone like get ready, tie your shoes, and we are ready to go to have some fun. Let's go!
Let's get it. Yeah, let's get it. ก็ตอนนี้นะคะเราก็มาซ้อมยิงปืนเสร็จแล้วมั้งใช่ ซึ่งก็คือ Oh my god Oh my god it is Ooh, what is this? Here actually is really good. Everything here, this is real gun. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, so scary.
Already feeling?
Yeah.
Finish introduce?
No.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's so loud. Yeah, this is first Edison will be shoot there. Oh my god. Real gun.
Oh, shit. How you feel? Enjoying?
Yes.
Okay. Jawun,
Sorry.
now it's your turn to try the sniper. Okay, right now it's Jawun. Time to do the slide. What do you think? Okay, you're the next one. You're the next one.
You are the next one.
I'm the next one. You are the last one.
You are the next one.
Oh my god.
Edison, are you scared?
You scared?
A little. Are
A
you
little
scared?
bit? No, I'm not scared.
Are you
But
scared?
you want to shoot one?
Are you scared?
Oh my, it's amazing.
It's amazing. So
Let's go.
you want to shoot? No?
You first.
I first. But only last three. If you want, I say I left one for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
A lot.
Oh my god. Good night.
Let's get it, bro.
Oh.
Get it, bro. We can do it, bro.
Hey, Hannah, your turn.
Let's get it.
You're the last one. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm going to die.
Let's go. How you feel?
A little bit hurt.
A little bit?
It's like,
Oh.
but it's not good. Take a picture time now.
Oh. Me.
Shooting
Okay,
time.
get out.
This way.
You already have. Jawun, good? Good?
Oh, why so handsome?
Okay. Orange?
Yeah.
Orange.
They say we have to shoot the orange.
I have to shoot. This is
The orange
M4?
So
M4.
far. M4 gun.
M4
Let's
gun.
go. Oh. M4.
Auto? Full auto?
Oh yeah, auto.
Auto.
Ooh.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, how you feel? Oh my god. Oh my god, one more time. Show.
Can see me?
Yeah, but show that again. Oh my god.
Really crazy.
Oh my god. Hey, Jawun. And the thing is like red here. Yeah. Oh! Sexy boy. Oh my god. Here? I'm not okay.
You okay? You okay?
Here?
Really fun. Really fun.
I'm not okay.
Really fun
Hey,
today.
wait, okay. Oh, really?
Yeah, really fun. So later, oh, watch out.
Oh, Edison shooting.
Oh, okay, look at Ed. Oh my god, okay.
Edison na.
Edison na.
Oh my god, Jawun, are you scared?
Are you scared? Oh shit. That's crazy. Oh my god.
Hey, look at his reaction.
Look at his reaction. That's crazy.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
you see this?
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Jawun is starting.
Okay.
Jawun.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, Jarina.
Oh my god, so handsome.
Oh, so handsome boy. Big boy. Oppa Jawun. Are you okay?
Oh my
Jawun
god.
is fine. Jawun okay. Oh my god. Look at Edison.
这个是怎么装啊？
Oh, sexy. Oh.
咱们先有没有啥？你觉得 Hannah？Yeah, you.
What is this?
This is 大。
ขอนิดเดียวได้ไหม
Okay. Right now, Hannah is ready to do the 大。
So it's my first time นะครั้งแร
Yeah,
ก
it's your first time.
first time
พร้อมนะ
พร้อม
ดูไหนดิไม่แน่นนะ
แน่นค่ะ
พร้อมยิงได้เลย
ยิงได้เลย
ยิงเลยเอายิง
แป๊บนึงนะ
ยิงเลย ดี
โอเค one two three ว้า
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just. What the?
You okay?
What the?
Oh, how you feel?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It feel like.
Fun?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta use this gun out here.
You're gonna hold?
Yeah, I gotta hold.
Oh my god.
Okay.
You no.
No, okay. Da.
Ah.
Okay.
Cannot walk.
Okay.
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 You can do it.
Oh, let's go. Up.
Let's get it.
Bye.
Fire. No. Oh.
Oh my god.
Wow, wow, crazy. Oh my. Ooh. Oh my god.
Oh.
How do you
Oh.
feel?
Crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy. Right now it's Edison's turn for the machine gun. Oh.哦，卡弹了。
The tree is like.
不过差不多了，已经打了。
Oh my god.
So cool, right?
Oh my god, so cool. Oh my god. How do you feel so fast, ah?
Very light.
Very
Very
light.
light.
Let's get it down. Let's get it. I go back home like this is so scary. Oh my god.
Hey, come back. Get off.
Okay.
Anna.
I cannot run away now.
Okay, come back. Family. Edison is putting the pose.
He's an actor, you see?
You see?
Oh my god, he's
Oh
very
my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
那个机枪也给我。
啊，I see，反正就这样打啊。
受欢迎了。
So funny lah. Right now is doing the shotgun.
Oh, this is.
มาแดง
Oh, what is this? This is like shotgun bullet.
Oh my god.
Yeah, shotgun bullet.
Okay. 4. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Now I can shoot. Okay. Ready?
Go bro.
You ready?
Let's go. Oh my god, so strong. Strong, so strong. Ooh. Oh my god, so strong.
打远的也行，打近的也行。
Oh my god. Oh my god. Anderson, you're going to die.
Crazy.
You're going to
He's
die.
crazy.
You,
Crazy family.
are you going to die soon?
Huh?
Or
You want to try?
You're going to die?
No, die.
Oh,
No. It's okay. Right now it's Jawun's turn. Okay?
no, I'm not okay.
Okay.
Up.
Ooh. No.
Up.
Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Oh. Let's go. Now it's Edison's turn.
I waste my sunglasses.
Okay, go.
Oh, superstar. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's. Oh my
Like this?
God. No, already should finish this photo.
Finish?
Okay.
Ooh. How you feel, Edison? Oh my god. Again?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Edison, you're going to die. Oh my god, Edison, you're going to die.
Edison going to die. Auto?
Edison, you're going
Okay.
to die.
Hannah. She okay?
No.
No?
I cannot shotgun.
What about this?
It's okay. I'm okay lah.
No. Okay. No. He say no.
Yeah.
He say no. Hannah. I say no.
I cannot.
Hannah, no.
You.
No.
Phoenix, why?
You one.
Phoenix, no.
Two.
Oh, no.
Let him try. 来，打一下。你别，快点玩。
不让你花钱。
Two，不让你花钱。
Oh my god, Phoenix.
Okay, Felix.
Oh my god, Felix.
Oh.
Oh.
Bye.
Okay, Felix,
Okay.
let's go. Felix.
哇！哦，好痛啊！Oh my god！
Are you okay?
no！
疼吗？疼。
Okay, let's go. Oh, this gun so cool, huh?
Yes. Oh,
Oh my god,
Elisa.
superstar.
it is.
Oh, 帅吗？
好吗？Okay. Oh,
You
you.
hesitate.
It's a man hurt. Let's go.
Okay, automatic. Boom, 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 huh?
Yeah.
Henderson time. Boom, 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 boom.
You ready?
Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
Automatic?
Come on. 3 shot, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Ooh. Photo. Here?
Oh. 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 My God. Henderson brother. Ah. Oh. Handsome boy.
He's teaching. Oh, 这么打是吧？
Oh my God.
啊。Okay, feel him, feel him.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
How are you feeling today?
I'm challenging myself.
You challenge yourself?
Challenge yourself.
You're having fun?
Amazing fun.
Before Pattaya, is it fun? I say, yeah. Yeah, we have to stop by, right?
This is just appetizer, right?
Yeah, this is just appetizer.
For real? We have something more?
We maybe have something more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Edison. So maybe we cannot go home today.
Yeah, maybe we cannot go home today.
Let's go, keep going.
Keep going. You have enough money?
No.
No. Hannah have.
No, Jaun have.
Oh, Jaun have. Oh, Phoenix have. Oh.
Okay,
Wow.
Phoenix
Phoenix pay.
So we just finished shooting gun.
Amazing.
Really
Amazing.
fun.
Amazing. I like it.
Like it? You want to live in Thailand now?
Rent the house.
Oh, rent a house.
Rent a house.
Rent a house.
Oh my
I want to
God.
Henderson house.
But my house?
Yeah.
Why?
Your house amazing.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
So now we are driving to Pattaya. Hey, Jaun,
Yeah.
what do you want to do?
You know, we never have a plan.
Yeah.
You know,
We just go.
we just go.
Yes, we just go. Just do it.
Do it.
And we
Yes.
just
Don't
find
think
a
too much.
plan.
Live right now.
Yes, don't
Let's
think
get it.
too much. Let's go.
Let's go.
Don't go back.
But wait. Hey, Jawo, what do you want to do?
I want to do like something special.
Something special. Ping pong show.
Oh no.
Why?
It's for baby.
It's for baby?
Yeah, baby. You guys are not a baby. Only baby go. Okay.
baby.
Yeah, you don't go.
What's the ping pong show? Ping pong show.
No ding dong ping pong show.
Ping pong show.
Yeah.
Ping pong show.
Ping pong show. Family. No ping pong show. Okay.
Okay lah, no ping pong show. Oh, no ping pong show. But we will go to Pattaya and I don't know what we're gonna do. Just
We will see.
let's see.
I think we go eat.
Go eat.
Get it.
Yeah, go eat
Okay.
some food.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Let's go eat some food. And yeah.
Let's go! Oh my God. Yeah, we arrived. I'm so sleepy.
Me drive 3 hours. So right now we are going to
Seafood market.
seafood market. Really fresh. Are you hungry, Jaun?
I'm super hungry. Super hungry.
Oh, you are super hungry. Yeah, we can. I think we can go into cook, or today if you don't want to cook, we can let them cook inside. My friend have a kitchen there. Yeah, I'm Khon Thai. You forget that?
Okay, just let them cook here.
Just let them cook? Okay. See, so many seafood already in here. Oh. look at the smell. Oh my, what is this? Oh, I don't know. 生腌. Oh, is that real? 晶晶? 晶晶?
So they
Oh,
have at the Thai.
they have.
We can buy this and then when we buy all of it, we can go back side.
Oh, and Coke.
And we'll cook.
There. Oh, I see. Cup and cup. So many. Oh my god, big shrimp. Oh, this lobster actually so good. Look at the pink one. Oh my god. Oh, 6,500 baht. So big, right? Oh.
2,000 baht, 2,000
He speaks Chinese.
and 6,500.
He speaks Chinese,
Yeah.
like big, small, different price.
Yes.
Oh, okay. We look around.
Okay.
走一圈看 OK
你 speak English 的话，你话听不懂。
English 听不懂 OK I speak Thai See they understand Chinese but they say they don't understand English so yeah guess what first language This is
Really good.
really อร่อย
Toy. Oh my god.
crab oh it's a crab
Yeah. So, but it's look cute.
Look cute, really cute. Oh, and here, oh my god, look at this. You see this? What is this called? Manda. Huh?
You guys wanna go toilet?
Go toilet. We can go toilet.
5 Thai baht.
I don't want to go.
You have 5 Thai baht.
Normal here, 5 table.
5 table to toilet.
Yeah.
Okay, family, let me bring you guys to the toilet. But where's the restaurant?
I behind.
Behind? Okay.
Buy and then go.
So we buy and then we go cook. Okay.
Hey,
So
family. Jawoon is so handsome, right?
yeah.
Like they are really happy now to see Jawoon. Like they are talking like, oh my god, the Korean boy is so handsome, so tall and white lah.
Oh, so handsome. Okay, I gotta let you see the handsome boy. Yeah, you. What? Handsome.
Oh my god, Jawoon ah. Jawoon buy the watermelon juice for us.
Really good. Gabe. Thank you, Jawoon.
No, I'm gonna thank you like big thank you.
Thank you, Jiao.
Hey, thank you, Jawoon. Now Jawoon.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Thank you, Jawoon.
Oh my god. Okay, right now we are going to toilet. 5 baht. Okay, yeah, this is the toilet. Oh, have a mirror. We can bring a pose. Oh my god.
How send the money inside?
Okay, we will find out how to send the money inside. Okay, we are in the toilet now. So, oh, why? What is he doing?
The coin is keep coming out.
Wait,
Cannot
what? What? Oh? Oh!
Lucky boy.
Okay, I have to pee right now. Okay, so right now we are going to get some seafood. So do you have any like what kind of seafood you want to buy today? Oyster, okay? Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, oyster good for men.
Oyster good for men.
You-
Who want to die on the bed?
Oh, what? Eh? Eh? I come back.
come back here.
Oh, I can go inside. Okay. Hana, come. Oh,
Oh my god. What happened?
Oh. Oh my.
เก่งมาก
Oh, and then wash. Oh.
โอ้ขูดโอ้อูนี่
Uni. Oh.
โอ้
Oh.
Okay.
Oh my god, so professional. Oh, beautiful. Okay, eat that. Family, this thing.
好吃吗？
Alloy. Okay, so today, my friend, my friend is going to sashimi. Yeah, to serve. It's going to sashimi. So, okay, what else? What else you want? I don't know if we have that much cash. I will tell them I come back tomorrow. Okay. Okay.
No, I don't know. Who are you?
Who am I?
Yeah.
I'm a Hana brother. So Hana brother.
I don't know him.
Okay, how much? How much?
มาแล้วตอนนี้เท่าไหร่นะ
Together, how much? Okay lah.
How much? How much?
3,500.
Oh, so they are
Oh.
sitting here.
We eat here?
Yes.
อะไรเนี่ยตัว
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it have a sound. Oh.
Oh my god, this looks yummy, family. You see this? Wow. Wow, this
컬러 조합이
is
너무 좋아.
really delicious. 哎，有章鱼啊，有这个呀。We are also getting the octopus. Wow. So family, right now I gotta show you guys.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
They are making the octopus for us. Oh. Oh. Okay, so we gotta go inside.
The first one we buy is, so this is Thai uni. It's not same with the Japanese uni. Yeah, we can try. And then we buy this one. I don't know in English, but in Korea we call sola. We have buy the big lobster, really big. But this three we eat like sashimi, like a raw. Okay, not cooking.
But have to wash before eat.
Yeah, I have to wash. Oh my god, coconut, so big. Jawon.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it have one more here. What is this? Oh.
Yeah, the one.
Ah, this is octopus. It's like a moving like a Yeah. Oh, this is seafood sauce. Actually, I just want to eat now. So hungry. Cooking Henderson. Like making a sauce. Oh, it's like still moving?
Yeah.
Ooh.
So I will wash.
Yeah.
Wash a bit
Wash.
and then put the soy sauce.
Soy sauce. No. You eat. You eat. Ooh.
Maybe more strong.
This one more strong. I think yeah, it's no dye. It's more strong. Try. Oh.
Okay, I try this one.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at this.
Look at the chocolate face.
This is uni.
Uni. Thai uni. Oh.
Remember wash before you eat.
So for me, if I recommend you guys, what is this?
Lobster. Wow! They cut it on the table.
So sweet. Really sweet.
Oh, this is the what I say really good. It's really sweet. I eat before. Having this one don't want to get out. Next one.
Okay, next one.
Yeah, he don't want to get out sometime, you know. Maybe next one want to get out. You see.
What are they doing?
Oh shit.
Baby.
Look. Hey. You have to eat this. Turn around. Oh. Okay.
Really good.
Hardworking, worth it.
Worth it. Oh.
Oh, thank you. Oh, they give for free.
Free.
Oh my god.
This is like this shrimp we didn't buy, but she said she can do the shrimp garlic good.
Yeah.
So she want you guys try.
Try,
So
oh.
next time you guys can come and buy the shrimp and taste it again.
Oh.
So because she like confident.
Confident with
Yeah,
the.
with this menu.
They are so nice to us.
Because she know me. No, she's like good person, not about like no fever thing. Like, she's good. So I just want to talk about like when we come here, this side, this have a first restaurant like really big, and they try to like ask us to go like inside her restaurant, but what I see is like I can understand Thai, right? They try to speak English, they try to speak Zhongwen, like Chinese, to like invite us, but I see the Thai word that they're not really speaking good. So yeah, I think if you guys can choose to come, I recommend you like choose the place that they are really kind to customer. Yeah. So this is the things that I hope like every country, even the Thai people, I want you guys like respect the tourists, because I'm not the one that living here as a Thai people, right? 22 years already. So I really love Thailand, and I don't want like Thai people get blamed for being like this. So hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, nah? Okay, Mike? Okay,ค่ะ
Okay,ค่ะ.
So we already eat
So full, so
โซ
full.
ฟูวะ
饱了。
เต่าละอิ่มมาก So are we going back home?
No.
No?
No, we are in Pattaya. So
So-
we need to do something.
We need to do something.
Yeah.
Do what?
Do what?
You like this?
People shop.
What?
What?
For real? Chawun?
Basketball.
Basketball now?
Oh my god, what a nice view and the best.
Yeah, what a nice view.
Okay, let's go.
And let's take a picture first.
Let's take a picture.
Let's take a picture.
Okay, take a picture time. Oh my god. Yeah, Henderson is like play basketball all the time. I respect him.
Okay. Hey, family.
Yeah. สวัสดีครับ
Play together.
ขอเล่นด้วยได้ไหม Can we Okay
Next team.
Next team
Next team.
Next team
Yeah, we're playing. Can I play? Okay. คนไทย Okay. Okay.
Oh
Okay. Later.
New team Hey เราชื่ออะไรอ่ะ What is your name Can I speak English Oh you can speak English right
Little bit.
Little bit Oh no you're really good
Show me what you get. I
Are
get
they
it.
handsome
Yeah.
Handsome
Get.
Who is the most
Show me what you get.
1 2 3
Two.
He is handsome the most Oh Henderson is the most handsome boy Oh
Open your eyes.
What
No.
Eh
No. 不要。
Eh Oh
Good answer.
Good answer
Good answer.
ตอบดี
Yeah, you just
Good answer อ่ะ
You can buy drink for your friend.
Okay
Okay. เดี๋ยวเล่นก่อนดิ
เล่นกัน Hey let's play with him He say he is a curry
You say he curry?
Yeah
Kevin Durant.
Oh,
Kevin Durant?
Yeah, I'm Korea Kevin Durant. You cool.
Korean?
Thailand Stephen Curry.
Thailand Teppan curry. Thailand Teppan curry.
LeBron James? Yeah. Oh my god.
He's a James.
Oh my god. I'm Korean Durant.
Durant. Okay.
Korean Durant.
Okay.
Let me see.
Let me see.
He's real best player, really.
No,
It's
2 weeks.
Chinese
2 weeks?
Chinese
Say
Stephen Curry.
2 weeks?
How to say
2 อาทิตย์
2 อาทิตย์
2 อาทิตย์
Chinese.
How many years?
1 year.
1 year. 1 year. 2 weeks.
VS 1 year.
Okay lah. Oh my god. He's a liar. Oh.
He's real.
I think he's a boss, right? Boss.
Your leader?
The captain. Right? I think he's the captain, right? กัปตันใช่ไหมกัปตันทีม Oh, captain.
I really want to see Henderson basketball play before.
Okay,
This is
okay.
Now I can
Okay.
see.
Okay. Okay.
I hear Henderson
Okay.
basketball.
So Henderson say he just start play 2 weeks and then. Oh. This is our battle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He is Thailand future Stephen Curry.
No, he say James.
He's LeBron James.
Yeah, James. Okay, Thailand future James. Okay lah. Let's see. Oh, so fast. Wow. Wow. Henderson. Henderson and Curry. Oh, Henderson and Curry. Edison. Dawood. Henderson. Yeah. Oh my god. Nice kick. Oh my god. Dawood. Oh my god. So strong. Really strong. Oh yes. 9-8. Oh my god. Oh, he almost. Oh. 10-8. Oh. Okay. Hey, you loser.
Sometimes have to let them win.
Oh.
So because they are still young,
Oh.
you need to give them confidence to keep playing the basketball.
Yes.
Yeah, so you cannot
We need to
Beat them every time.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah, this is how the every day like this. Every day. So, how are you feeling today?
It's crazy. I never forget today. It's amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
What about you, Hannah?
I want a girlfriend now. Today I already feel like I'm
Man.
100% man.
100% man?
Yeah.
Okay, right now we are
On the way home,
on the way home. We are going home now.
we got a perfect day.
Yeah, we got a perfect day, so we have to go home and take some rest.
Yeah.
And I will show you guys the view in a bit. This is a really good place. Really fun.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
We go papaya and shotgun and then play basketball and then go back home like this way. Oh my god, this is west side.
West side.
West side.
West side
Hip.
style.
This is hip hop.
This is hip hop.
Yeah, this is hip hop. Show me what you got.
Show me what you got.
Stay and learn how to be a man, bro.
Bro, don't
Yeah.
exist anymore, Hannah.
Yeah, no sister.
No system. Hey brother.
Hey brother.
Hey brother.
Hey brother.
Hey brother. Hey, what's up, brother? Hey brother. What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Let's go. We are brothers.
Ooh.
My God.
How you feeling out there?
Like chill.
Chill.
Chill, you know what?
How you feeling out there?
Chill.
Chill. Oh.
Chilling, man. Oh my God, look at this. We have to rain because of the rain. Oh my God. Because of the rain, for the
Okay,
rain.
so today we are going to end the video like this, ba?
Yeah, we are going to end the video like this. Thank you for watching. If you guys like us, please subscribe, follow, and also
What you guys think and what you guys want us to do, just comment below. Okay lah, and then share for us too. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
bye bye.
Bye bye.